Hello everyone, welcome to today's new episode. Today we will discuss Amazon Alexa Echo Show 5 Sandstone 2 generation. First 10 people will get 20% discount if they buy from our YouTube channel. Let's get started. This bundle includes Echo Show 5 and the adjustable stand. Alexa can show you more compact 5.5 smart display, ready to help manage your day, entertain at a glance, and connect you to friends and family. Made to fit your life. Cook along to step-by-step recipes. Easily update to-do lists and calendars. Glance at weather and traffic on your way out. Big entertainment. Ask Alexa to show you movie trailers, TV shows, movies, or the news. Or listen to radio stations, podcasts, and audiobooks. Control your smart home voice control compatible devices, or manage them on the easy-to-use display. Ask Alexa to show you security cameras, control lights, and adjust thermostats. Designed around your privacy, turn off the microphone and camera with one press of a button. Slide the built-in shutter to cover the camera.